Hey guys, it's Sadie, and this is what my bathroom looked before making this video. Going to be reorganizing my whole bathroom, my new bathroom in my new apartment today. I am so excited, so let's just get right on into this video. So the first thing that I needed to do was order stuff, because I realized if I wanted to get all these organization things and put everything in its place, I needed containers, I needed a shelf, I needed a shower caddy, I needed so many things. So I tapped my little fingers onto Amazon.ca. I've linked everything down below for you to buy everything that I am showing in this video. I've got basically every single thing from Amazon, maybe except one. So I got this corner cabinet from IKEA. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got this from IKEA, but I will link it down below where I got it from. It's a corner cabinet, so it fits perfectly in this tiny little corner of my bathroom, and it has tons of shelves on it. It has 2 open shelves and then other shelves that are closed with a door, evidently. I don't really know why I had to explain that. But I have tons of different categories of products. So you have your skincare, you have your hair, you have your face, and then you have body, shaving, nails, so many products. You know? So I really wanted to separate them by shelves, and I wanted them to look cute. So I got these turntables from Amazon. I got so many, 5, and I separated all of my products. I took all of my products out, I sorted them into groups, and then I put them on the shelf that I needed. Then I waited for my turning tables to arrive. I put them on each shelf, and it looked really, really good. Everything was separated, everything was in their own place, and I realized that I needed to somehow categorize them and label them. So this is where my label maker comes into play. I know so many people made fun of me of getting a label maker for Christmas, but this label maker is literally the sickest thing I've ever used. So it connects to an app on your phone. I will link the label maker down below, and you just type in, you can change the font, the size, anything. You can change even the background, you can make a cute little print. I just wanted it white and plain. So I printed little labels and put that on each turntable on both sides. And if I had one that had dual purposes, I would put one thing on one side, and then when you turn around, it's the other thing on the other side. But it looks really organized, and I don't know, it really makes me happy when I'm in the morning and I'm oh, I just need to do my skincare. So I go to my little skincare thing. I did skincare, hair, every day, nails and shaving, tanning, all of the categories that a Sadie would need. Oh, and then I realized that I had some things that just don't look good standing up on a turntable, or they just can't stand up, or the shelf was too high for it to stand up. So I needed to get some little bins, and these are the things that aren't from Amazon. They're from IKEA, but I could just order them online. And I got 2 of the little ones and 2 of the big ones, and I'll be using the big ones later. I put my tanning in one of them, I put my nails and shaving stuff in another one, and then I just put all of my big random things on the bottom one, and it looks so clean and crisp and decluttered. Keep in mind, my bathroom isn't decorated yet, so this is definitely not the finished product. This is just reorganizing it, so it's gonna get better and better as the videos go on. So make sure to subscribe and see what the transformation looks like at the end. The next thing that really, really needed help was the under sink area. This I feel is an area that so many people just don't really know how to organize, because there's these huge plumbing tubes underneath. My camera died. Okay, but there are these huge tubes underneath, and you just can't put a shelf. It's so hard. But then my mother showed me this shelf that you can actually build around the pipe, and you can make it as long or as short as you want. So I will link that shelf down below. So useful. And what I did is I just put everything that I had under the cabinet into little categories. I had one for hair accessories, another little toothbrush and toothpaste bin, and keep some other stuff there. I have another one for period supplies, and then the top shelf shelf I used for toilet paper. So it really just worked out. Everything is super white and clean and crisp down there, the way we enjoy it, and that shelf just made such a big difference. The thing is though, I had these tools that I use, like my hair dryer brush, my curling iron, and my straightening irons, which take up so much space. I saw this thing on Amazon, and it hooks on the back of your door. It's really easy to put together, and it just basically is a place for you to put all of your hair tools on the door. So you just open it up, there's everything. It doesn't even have to be on a shelf, it doesn't even have to be like under the cabinet. It takes up literally no space, and I just put all of my hair tools there. So I will definitely link that down below too, but very happy with that under cabinet storage. In my shower doesn't come with any type of like shower caddy or anything like that, and my shower head is super up high, and my 5'1" self can't hang a shower caddy over the shower head because I will not be able to reach it, and then I will never be able to wash my body or my hair, and then I will be smelling really bad. So what I did is I got a shower caddy that is just 2 shelves, because my worst fear is sleeping and then having the shower caddy fall down, which has happened. It's the scariest thing of life. You think someone's breaking into your apartment, but I got singular shelves that are really strong, and everything that I'm putting up on a wall in my apartment, it easily comes off. It doesn't wreck the wall. It just comes off with a hair dryer, and it doesn't leave any residue or anything. So everything is like apartment safe. And I got 2 metal shelves, super minimal, super cute. They have 2 little hooks on the side. On the first shelf, I put my shampoo, my conditioner, and all my hair stuff. Second shelf, I put my body stuff, and I hung my little pink loofah off the side of the second one. It just gets everything off of the bathtub, which just makes everything look so cluttered when there's stuff on the bathtub. I just hung my razor on the little razor hanging thing that it comes with. That's also the best razor I've ever used. It's a flamingo razor. I also got a new shower head because the one that I have was blowing water like, it was like spread out. You know what I mean? Like it was like spread out, and I wanted it to be more like this. So my dad bought me a new shower head. I'll link a similar one down below, but it's white and it looks so much cuter. And there's also different settings. So you can have like a little massage one that like juts out water. Yeah. What I didn't get to was the shower curtain. It's actually still in the mail right now as I'm filming this video, but I really wanted to get this up. So I got a white shower curtain. I will put it in the description, the one that I got. It's super just white, you know. It's gonna make my bathroom look a lot lighter because right now I just have the clear one and you can kind of see the gray tile through it. Another thing that I think makes bathrooms look so cluttered is when there's stuff on the counter and there's like cords, there's like your toothbrush cord. I actually bought an outlet shelf on Amazon, and I was all dandy and ready to go. I was like, yay, I'm gonna get all this stuff off of my counter. It says it's not gonna come till February, so couldn't do that. And then I ordered another one, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna prime ship this. I'm gonna get it freaking here so I can film this freaking video. And it comes, and I'm like, yay. I try to put it on my wall, and it doesn't fit my outlet. There's this thing that's in between. I just have it, I have an unusually long outlet, which doesn't fit this shelf thing. So if you do have a regular outlet, I would definitely suggest getting the outlet shelf, because it's just easy, you just stick it in your outlet and it's fine. But my mom actually had one of these just floating shelves hanging around, and it, once again, it doesn't wreck the wall, it just comes off with the hair dryer. I stuck that on the wall. It was super easy to install. You just had to put the little sticky things on the thing and then rub it, and then you had to put the shelf on and then put these little bolts in. It looks really nice, and it just does the job of getting stuff off of the counter. I put my water flosser, my toothbrush, and my toothpaste up there. So now all I have on my counter is my soap dispenser, which I got from HomeSense. And I also got that cute little marble thing from HomeSense as well. My bathroom, I actually have my laundry inside of my bathroom. So I have my washing machine and my dryer stacked on top of each other in a little closet. What I use are these laundry detergent strips. They are amazing. You literally don't have to pour liquid detergent inside the washer. You just put one of these laundry strips inside the washer, close it, and press go. They're like amazing, they're eco-friendly, so definitely go check them out. They actually sent them to me. This isn't sponsored, but they sent them to me and I use them all the time, and I've bought more. And I just wanted a place to put them, so my mom actually found these whiteboard marker holders that are magnetic that are supposed to stick on a whiteboard, but they stick on the washing machine because the washing machine is magnetic, and they fit the detergent strips perfectly, like perfectly. So I just like put them in. I have 2 of them, stuck them on the side. They're white, they're clean, they're fresh, and it just makes me very happy. What I also did for that little closet thing, I use it as a ton of storage because it's super out of the way. I have this broom that I wanted to hang up, and I also just wanted to hang a couple of other things. So I found these hooks that are super easy to put on and don't leave any residue on the wall. So you basically just like stick it on, the hook flaps out, and I put my broom there, I put some cloths there, and it's just super good to always have hooks everywhere because it gets stuff off the floor, it gets stuff off the counter, and like that's a really big thing for like organizing and decluttering and making the space look cleaner. I also have a hook on the back of my door for my robe and a hook right next to my shower for my towel. So definitely a fan of hooks and shelves. So that's how I organize my bathroom. Let's do a little before and after right here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You always ask me about my organization videos, and I have so many planned. I'm gonna organize my desk. I'm gonna like decorate my office. I'm gonna organize my kitchen even more and my pantry. Like, get ready. Like, I'm so excited. Leave this video a thumbs up and a comment on what you want me to organize next in my apartment. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.